Nicole Scott here for Mobile Geek Time at PepCom at CES 2015. In this video, well, it's powered by ASUS. I have a pencil and a tablet in my hand, so this means that I am going to be checking out the Lenovo Yoga 2 tablet with Windows. God, what a terrible name for a product. So we just take a look at this. Well, we can just use anything. So I'm using a pencil right now, so we can pull out the charm. There we go. Now I'm going to show you what's going on here with this writing, and then we're going to insert that. Wow, look at that. It's so fancy. It writes stuff with a pencil. But let's just head back in to check out, well, the really nice display. So this is a Full HD 1920 by 1200 IPS display. It's currently in test mode, which is a little bit annoying, but whatever. It comes with an Intel Atom Z, what is it? It's a Z3745, 1.9 gigahertz, 2 gigabytes of RAM. Now, what I like about this type of tablet is that, well, you have the built-in kickstand. So we have the power button, there's the micro USB volume rocker. Now, one thing about this, you're trying to open it up, you need to like grab it and pull, and then pull it out. It's a little bit not exactly the best. I would have had a space there for you to grab and pull back like the original 8-inch tablet. But this does come with a hanger, so you can put it on the wall. It's got the two front-facing JBL speakers, which is pretty nice. Now it is not waterproof, so you can't take it into the shower. So on the other side here, we have the headphone jack. There's your Windows button. So you see what that does? It switches between the applications. On the rear, we have access for LTE, and there's a little 8 megapixel camera there with autofocus. So now it is running Windows 8.1, so we've seen that here. And it does come with 1 year of Office 365, which I think is pretty great. So this is exactly what you would find with the Windows 8.1 tablet. It costs you $300 and should be available relatively soon. So here it is, the Yoga Tablet 2 with Windows 8-inch. Nicole Scott here for Mobile Geeks at PepCom 2015.